Okay, several big takeaways from the press conference there. The police confirming that 6 accused have been taken into custody 3 days on, saying that the first 2 days our focus was on ensuring that everyone gets the necessary care, and the last 24 hours the investigation has been focused on the lapses that led to the stampede. 6 people have been taken into custody. The main accused, an aide of Bole Baba, Dev, at this point is absconding. The police have announced a 1 lakh bounty on, in fact, Dev. So any information that anyone provides on Bole Baba's aide's whereabouts will lead to a bounty of 1 lakh being handed over. So clearly the hunt is on for the main accused right now. 6 accused in all who've been taken into custody. Among those, 2 of them are women. Mostly it is the organizing committee from where arrests have been made, but the police also confirming that at this point they don't know where Bole Baba is. They're still looking into whether the self-styled godman also had a role, but also confirming that he, along with all the other organizers, didn't stay back, didn't help, but fled from the spot, which is why at this point they remain on the run. The main accused, Dev, in all likelihood could be with Bole Baba, which is why the police have in fact put out the 1 lakh bounty to ensure that any information on his whereabouts will reach them. So this is the action that's been taken so far by the police. 3 days after the stampede, which killed 121 people, the police confirming that the main accused is an aide of the self-styled godman of Bole Baba, and they've also announced that 6 people have been taken into custody. And this is largely over lapses that have emerged, over steps that weren't taken to protect devotees who'd gathered there. Also, when asked about alleged lapses on the part of the police, on whether they weren't in fact careful enough at the spot, whether their negligence and whether they looked the other way when this event took place that led to a stampede, he said very clearly that the investigation is underway into that, and only post that will we be able to say whether there was any lapse or negligence on the part of the police. So this is the action that's been taken so far. Amit Bharadwaj is joining us live from Hathras with more details on this. Amit, 6 arrests have been made so far by the police. Give us more details of who these 6 people are. We understand that most of them were part of the organizing committee of this event.
Right, Akshata, you know what we were also thinking, that's where the investigation is heading right now, because the 6 people who have been arrested by the police are largely part of the organizing committee. Now, out of these 6, 2 are women, and the police is also saying that they were responsible for not only organizing the event, they were part of the organizing committee here, and they had been part of similar satsangs of Narayan Hari in the past as well, and they have been part of organizing committee in the past as well. So largely they are part of the organizing committee, and they were also the members who are sevadars, who were responsible for organizing, handling the crowd, arranging whatever requirements are there to arrange the satsang of this sort, right from tent to food to water, generators, everything is being managed by organizing committee. So yes, big news. 6 arrests have been officially, declared by the police, Uttar Pradesh police. They are saying the organizing committee and sevadars have been arrested. These are 6 in number. 2 of them are women. Many of them are also from Hathras. A couple of them are from Sikandra Rao, where this particular stampede, spot is located. And along with this, there are other big news as well. Ved Prakash Madhukar, the main accused in the case, who was the head of the organizing committee, he's still absconding. He's still at run, and the now Uttar Pradesh police has actually, announced rupees 1 lakh prize for anybody who's going to give information, tip-off for Ved Prakash Madhukar. So that main accused in this particular case is still at large. The the Uttar Pradesh police is still hunting for him, and once he gets arrested, the investigation will be fastened from here on.
Okay.
What is clear out here is that the police is actually going after the organizers in this case in order to understand.
For obvious reasons, because there have been multiple lapses on that front. The hunt continues clearly for the main accused here, Dev Prakash, who at this point is on the run, leading to the police announcing a 1 lakh bounty on his head for any information about him. Amit, thanks for joining us with those details. Let's play out for you the highlights really of the press conference by the UP police, where they've told us the kind of action that's been taken as far as the investigation into the stampede goes.
उस दिन भी बाबा के चरण रज के लिए भीड़ गाड़ी के आसपास आई, तो सेवादारों ने भीड़ को रोका और जैसे ही काफिला आगे निकला तो सेवादारों ने भीड़ को चरण रज होने के लिए अनियंत्रित छोड़ दिया। उसके बाद महिलाएं और बच्चे एक दूसरे के ऊपर गिर गए। घटना जब हुई तो ये लोग मौके से फरार हो गए। इनके द्वारा वहां पर किसी प्रकार का कोई सहयोग वहां की पुलिस या प्रशासनिक व्यवस्था को नहीं दिया गया।
And there you had the police explaining how this tragedy actually took place. 6 people have been taken into custody. There were several questions asked of the police also about Bole Baba, about the self-styled godman and his alleged role in the stampede, or rather how he looked the other way. The police have confirmed that soon after the stampede took place, he immediately fled from that site along with all the other organizers. And the cops have no idea or leads at this point on exactly where the self-styled godman is. We'll continue tracking the latest on this and get you the latest on the investigation by the police as well.